Congratulations on your new Kinderfeets Cargo Bike. Inspired by the original Dutch cargo bike, the Bakfiets, this four-wheel push bike has a large space in front for treasures and stuffed friends. Let's get the fun started with assembly. First, slide the front axle through the cargo box. Then, slide spacer H and washer L onto each side. You can now attach the front wheels using Allen wrenches M. Repeat these steps for the rear axle. Slide washer I onto the pin at the front of the frame. Now you can connect the cargo box and rear unit by securing everything with screw Q. Slide the handlebar through the vertical supports. Secure the bar with screws K, using the Phillips screwdriver end on the provided Allen wrench. Attach the handlebar to the cargo box. Use the Allen wrenches to secure bolts P and screws N. Your cargo bike is made of wood, so it will flex naturally when used. For your child's safety, please check all screws regularly. And remember, as with all wooden products, to avoid exposure to excessive moisture and store it indoors in a dry, ventilated location. Your Kinderfeets Cargo Bike is now ready for adventure. Where will your first ride take you?